Hi! In today's tutorial we will crochet this baby brontosaurus. It is pretty easy, fast, and is a no-sew pattern, so I hope you like it. We will start with a magic ring. For this we will wrap the yarn over, under, and cross of our fingers. Then with our hook we will go under this yarn, grab the one on the top, pull it around our hook, grab the yarn on the top again and pull it through the loop in our hook. Now I will do 8 single crochet into the magic ring. To do 1 single crochet, we will insert our hook into the magic ring, like this, yarn under, pull through the magic ring, yarn over and pull through both loops in our hook. I will continue with the other 7 single crochet and then I will close the magic ring. To close the magic ring, you just have to pull your starting yarn. For round 2, we will do 8 increases. To do an increase, you just got to make 2 single crochet into the same stitch. At the end of this round, you should have 16 stitches. For round 3, we will single crochet around. This means we will do 1 single crochet per stitch. We will start round 4 by doing 4 single crochet and I'll meet you back to do the decreases. Now to do the decreases, we will take the front loop only of the next 2 stitches, yarn under, pull through both of the loops, then yarn over and pull through both of the loops in our hook. We will continue this round by doing other 3 decreases, then 4 single crochets. At the end of this round, you should end up with 12 stitches. For the next 3 rounds, we will single crochet around. We will start round 8 with a single crochet and now we will chain 3. To do 1 chain, we will yarn over and pull through the loop in our hook. I will do it 2 more times. And now I will add a stitch marker in the last chain. This is not necessary but will be useful later. Now, starting in the second chain from our hook, we will do 2 single crochet. This would be the first one and the second single crochet. Now we will do 1 single crochet into the next stitch of our main round. And to continue with this round, we will do 10 single crochet. We will start round 9 by doing 3 single crochet as we usually do. And now we will add 3 single crochet in our turning chain. The turning chain is the one that we marked with our stitch marker in the previous round. To continue with this round, we will do 6 single crochet, 1 increase, 1 single crochet, 1 increase and 3 single crochet. You should end up with 20 stitches at the end of this round. Before we continue, we will add our safety eyes between rounds 3 and 4. And as we do this, remember that you can find the written pattern in my Instagram if you prefer that format. For round 10, we will do 4 single crochet, 1 increase and 15 single crochet. This means that you should end up with 21 stitches. We will start round 11 with 3 single crochet, then we will do 3 increases and we will finish with 15 single crochet. At the end of this round you should have 24 stitches. For round 12 we will do 4 single crochet, 3 decreases and 14 single crochet. You should end up with 21 stitches at the end of this round. round 13 we will do 4 single crochet, 1 decrease, 6 single crochet, 1 decrease, 2 single crochet, 1 decrease, and I'll meet you back to do the bubble stitch together. Now for the bubble stitch, we will yarn over, insert our hook into the next stitch, yarn under, pull through the stitch. Now you should have 3 loops over your hook, yarn over and pull through only 2 of them. Now you should have 2 loops in your hook, and we will repeat this into the same stitch. Now you should have 4 loops over your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 of the loops. Now you should have 3 loops, and we will repeat it one more time into the same stitch. Now you should have 5 loops over your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 of them, and now you should have 4 loops over your hook. Then we will yarn over and pull through all of the loops in our hook. To finish with this round, we will do 2 single crochet, and you should end up with 18 stitches. For round 14, we will do 1 single crochet, 1 bubble stitch, 5 single crochet, 1 bubble stitch, 3 single crochet, 1 bubble stitch, and 6 single crochet. Before we continue, we will add as much stuffing as we can, and while we do this, I wanted to remind you that I recently opened my Etsy shop and you can find pretty patterns in there. For example, this cute no-sew dragon. For round 15, we will do 9 decreases. You should end up this round with 9 stitches. We can now cut the yarn, fasten off, and we will start closing. To close, I like to insert my sewing needle through the front loop only of each of the stitches, and then you just have to pull your yarn and it will close your project. And there you go, I hope you liked the tutorial. Comment what should I do next. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!